Assalamu alaikum. I'm here on stage of Ali English House Academy. We take the interview of our students. This is to develop their communication and personality. With me, I have some guests. So first of all, I'd like to speak to them to get their introduction. Assalamu alaikum. Ma'am, can you say about yourself? What's your name?
My name is Farhana Mahmida Banu.
Okay, so your daughter is also with you. Okay. The daughter, can you say about yourself? What's your name?
My name is Sadafti.
Okay. Are you studying? Like which class are you studying?
9th standard.
And which school?
Bishop Sargent School.
Okay. Ma'am, I just observed like both of your daughters, they are studying in top colleges and schools. So I know that I understand that you parents are special. So what is it that you want to make your students or your daughters? What you want to make them? What is your expectation from them?
My three daughters, not only three daughters. I understand all over the daughters are my daughters. I am social servant also. I am HMS college lecturer also. And today I am an ex-lecturer. But I am a diploma in computer and SIT I am teaching in computer also. And computer instructor. Today I am studying only in home. Studied and tuitions and social service in home only. Otherwise, I have to WhatsApp messages. My background also is only teachers and friends. So I am interested only for daughters studied in a highly education. This is my aim. My daughters, my other daughters also, this is my aim.
MashaAllah, that's great. Ma'am is working on women's empowerment. She wants all the women to be highly qualified and they have to be independent. That's great. So what is your message to other parents? How other parents, they have to motivate their daughters in their education?
I say, sir, we cannot underestimate for your daughters. You stand in your home. You stand back on your daughters. I say, give to a higher education in your daughters, both boys and girls. But boys stand how to treat in girls, that much treat to the boys also. Education is a powerful in a human being. This is education is both boys and girls. Give the same treatment in your house. I give a best wishes for parents. Give the education for your children.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Let's give a big round of applause to ma'am. I am also truly inspired by the vision and the energy what you have, the support what you have in educating the daughters, especially in the education of women. So I request that even in the coming classes, I would like to know more about you and we would like to have more of your interviews. We also want the motivation from you to all our students, especially to our girl students. So inshallah, with the more sessions and more interviews, we'll be back in the coming interviews. Jazakallahu khairan for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. And thank you very much for your time, man.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And thank you and all the best for you, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum.